man, that's a good running Dodge. Taking on the Eliminator Incorporated Bronco. Truck's been around a long